So hi guys, today one of our students got placed to one of the MNC company as a software engineer. So today she is here to share her experience about QSpiders, how the QSpiders used to train her and how she was able to clear her interview. So yeah, she will be explaining you.
Hello everyone, I am Shilpa S Marigoudra. I have joined the QSpiders in the month of June, and I have joined the course in SDET. So that in the QSpiders Rajajinagar branch has a good and very famous branch, and I have got and gained a very good knowledge on manual and SQL and Java. And also here all the trainers are very helpful, and they'll conduct for us for mock interviews and grooming sessions. Those are very helpful. Especially I would like to share about that boot camp. Boot camp is very helpful for the students, those who have a problem in communication, and they will learn day by day also by doing boot camp presentations. They got to know where they have done the mistake, so that they'll conduct a simultaneously mock interviews, and they'll give us students for practical knowledge and hands-on experience, and they'll make the student as perfect, so that anyone can crack the interviews. And sessions were very interactive, and the all trainers will support for students at any time, anywhere. And also the trainers will support for when we have any issues with the related studies, they'll guide us very well. And also I got very good knowledge on manual from that Pradeep sir, and also I have good programming knowledge on Tejas sir, ultimate teaching. Teaching was very nice, and I would like to share my experience. I have learned a manual and SQL, and also Java and Selenium, and these are all my about experience. But QSpiders Rajajinagar was very ultimate teaching for teaching, and it was good, and all sessions were good, and trainers were always supportive for the students. That's all. Thank you.
So guys, she got placed to one of the MNC company. So it's very good to hear that she was giving interviews back to back, and she got to know where she was lagging, and she improved herself, because of which on her 4th attempt she was able to clear her interview, and she is working as a software engineer in one of the MNC company. Let's all congratulate her, and her success story might be a motivation story for you people to become a new software engineer to IT industry. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.